The Well Badger Resource Center provides the Children's Mental and Behavioral Health Resource Navigator tool. This free, online tool is here to help you navigate resources for a child you care about who has mental or behavioral health concerns. It's to be used on behalf of a child, adolescent or a young adult under 21 years old by a Wisconsin parent, caregiver or healthcare or social service professional. After filling out the questionnaire, this tool provides a customized resource guide to help you understand and navigate available mental and behavioral health resources. This short presentation will demonstrate how to use the Navigator tool. It's quick and easy. As always, if you need additional help, contact the Well Badger staff directly. They are happy to help and offer translation services if needed. Alright, let's get started. First, access the tool on the Well Badger Resource Center's website at www.cmbhnavigator.org. Once this page opens, you'll see a blue button on the right side labeled Start Navigator. This will open up the questionnaire form. Next, I'll fill out the questionnaire and show the customized research guide it provides to users. I'm filling out this questionnaire as if I am a parent looking for resources for my teenage child. Please note the questions that offer additional clarification, details, or links to support. For example, if I click on the hyperlinked word here for this question, it will take me to a page where I can easily find which school district the child resides in. Next, this type of question format offers available choices on the left-hand side. After selecting a choice, click the arrow to move it to the right-hand side. You can add additional choices if it applies. Click the Next button on the button right to move to the second page. Continue filling out the questionnaire. This is the last page. If you need to go back to the previous page, click Previous. And if you are finished, click Submit to see the custom resource guide, made just for you. The resource guide will walk you step by step for each section, such as insurance, or treatment and therapy services. You'll see the guide provides links to support, indicates questions or talking points to ask, and much more. You can also navigate any part of the guide by clicking on one of these sections in the circle system. If you would like to save the resource guide, click the Download as PDF button. From here, you can save the guide as a PDF file or choose to print. We hope this tutorial was helpful. As always, if you need assistance or have any questions, the certified information and resource specialists at Well Badger are here to help you. Well Badger Resource Center. Connect with us.